there, Alex from Today Testing here. In this video, we're going to look at Instapage pricing. And the main thing we're going to be looking at is the key differences between the core plan and the enterprise plan. There are two options from Instapage. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is enterprise doesn't have a plan price. Basically, it depends what you're gonna add, what features you're gonna add. Then you discuss with the Instapage administrators what you would like, and then they will create a plan price for you based on what you need. Now, the core plan is going at $129 per month at the moment. The annual version, if you were to pay in a lump sum, would work out at $99 per month. So that's a pretty big saving there, 23% off your monthly plan rate. Now, what we want to do in this video is to quickly look at the key differences between the two plans. Now, there's a lot of similarities, as you'll see here. They're all both ticked. You can get more details on these on the Instapage website and in an article on our site, but the key thing we're going to be looking at in this quick video will be the differences. So we're going to scroll down to those. So first one we're looking at is personalization. So basically with this, if we're talking in terms of your website, personalization means in the post-click landing pages, you would be able to edit and shape the page yourself with your own features. Now, if this is something your website needs, then maybe the enterprise is for you. So that's basically, you're not going to be using the standard templates that Instapage offers. Instead, you're going to try and personalize some of it. Of course, this will be, if it's on brand, it could help your conversions, of course. Now, the next one down, global blocks. Global blocks basically means that you can update your landing pages with one click. So it's a nice feature if you have very large campaigns with a lot of different landing pages and you wanted to make one quick edit, then you can do it with just one click. Very useful for people who have very large pages, a lot of landing pages. The next one down, AMP pages and experiences. This is kind of around mobile speed of your pages. So AMP pages stands for accelerated mobile performance, I believe. Mobile pages. Now what that means is that your mobile pages will load quicker. So if that's something your website's going to need, if you have a lot of mobile visitors, then that's something you might want to consider if you need that for your landing pages. The next two or three are kind of more about real-time collaboration. Would be more about you can edit your landing pages as a team in real time, so you can add comments to your landing pages that you're developing, and also your clients can see that. So edits can be made in real time, and then it's more efficient to make changes that way. The next three extra services here are all about what Instapage can provide as a kind of extra service. A dedicated success manager, obviously they're going to help you with the site, with your landing pages, helping any problems. Migration services would be very useful for anyone who wants to move over their landing pages to Instapage and not have to start all over again. So what they can do there is transfer all of your current landing pages if you're with a different provider and put them onto Instapage, migrate them over. It's a very useful thing if you already have all your landing pages set up. Professional pages would involve Instapage administrators and workers there helping you set up your landing pages, giving advice on whether a certain landing page will work for your site conversion wise. So they're just kind of offering advice, giving their expertise on that kind of stuff. Enterprise SLA is a service level agreement basically with Instapage, saying that your site will be up for a certain amount of time all the year. It's basically a guarantee from Instapage that your landing pages will be live and there will be a certain amount of responsibility from them to ensure your pages are live for a certain percentage of the year. SSO one login is just for you and your team to make it easier. If you want to log in from social media, you can just do it from there. If you want to log in from Facebook, if that's easier for your team, that's what SSO can allow you to do. Google Analytics Variation Insights basically allows it's kind of a one-off thing really, because I don't think any other at the moment, if there's any other providers with that, you can connect up to analytics and they will show where the clicks are happening on your landing pages. So it's basically a tracker with Google Analytics, which allows you to see the analytics performance of each of your landing pages. Now moving down to the next two ones, direct link lead bypass essentially means that Instapage won't save any of your leads data on their servers. The data for your lead will go straight to your CRM server instead of going to Instapage, which is useful for compliance and data breaches. And then custom fonts. If you want to use Google fonts instead of the standard fonts, then you're going to have to update to Enterprise. And then custom feature implementation. If you want to use custom code on your landing pages, then you're going to have to update to Enterprise. If that's something you feel you'll need, then you can discuss it with the Instapage administrators. So that's kind of all the extra features. If you feel that you need any one of those, then you might have to upgrade to Enterprise, or maybe consider a different provider. If you don't, then it's just best starting off on the core plan. Now the key thing which will decide for most of us whether you're going to be core or Enterprise, in my opinion, is these lines down here. The core plan comes with a certain amount of visitors and landing pages. So if you have over 30,000 visitors, then yeah, you're going to have to go to Enterprise plan. Or if you have 30 landing pages or more than 5 team members. So I think probably they're the key things that will drive whether you're going to be using the core or Enterprise plan. So that's all from me on this in Instapage pricing video. If you want to have more information on the plan, you can go to our link, which will show an article about the more in-depth article about the Instapage pricing, and there's also a link to the Instapage website. So thanks for listening, and we'll catch you again soon.